Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. What a special occasion. Thank you so much for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I'm very happy to talk about myself today. I have been looking forward to this moment for a long time. My name is Hằng. I'm 18 years old. I come from Thái Nguyên. Now, let me tell you a little bit about my family. I have a very happy family. My dad is a great man. He has fantastic job. My mom is a wonderful woman. She is cooking very well. My parents love me so much. My family supports me in good times and bad times. My parents help me for many good hobbies. I know if I want to succeed, I need to have good hobbies. So I practice speaking English every day. I want to have a dinner with my family. I love talking to my mom. I love sharing with my dad. We exercise together and we relax together. The atmosphere in my family is fantastic. Today I'm here to present to you about four sounds in the IPA chart. It is U, U, E. Firstly, U, U, U. Full. Example. No more for me, I'm full up. No more for me, I'm full up. No more for me, I'm full up. Cook. Example. Mom cooked me lunch. Mom cooked me lunch. Mom cooked me lunch. Secondly, ooh. Doing. Example. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Shoot. Don't shoot me, I'm scared. 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 Thirdly, tent. Example. Let's rent a tent. Upset. He never gets upset. Hand. Example. Let me give you a hand. Map. Example. Are you good at reading maps? That's all about my video today. I hope you like it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.